was built in the late 60s, early 70s, and they had the aluminum windows, and they were just hot. I mean, you could just see the blinds moving, you know, in the kids' bathroom. It was just amazing. I mean, we were losing a ton of energy, a ton. It was weird because the wife and I were sitting out on the porch, and we were talking, we needed windows, and we were talking about it, and we'd come back in, and a knock on the door, and there was two gentlemen representing Energy Guard, and that's how it was really weird because we were talking about it just that same day, and later that evening they showed up, you know, and got us set up with the estimate and everything. They put 8 windows in, which actually we had 9, but they put 1 big window in and 7 little ones, and quite professional. It was amazing how quick it was done. We were totally thrilled and pleased with how quick it was. The house stays cooler. You don't hear as much outside as we were. Billings is a real small town, and we have a real bad dust problem, you know, especially with harvest. You know, during the summer we get the harvesters and stuff that just stir the dust in the air, and it's just bad. We don't have that problem now. The windows are amazing, and yes, I would recommend, which I have recommended a friend of mine from work. It's amazing, really good, quick. Yeah, they did a good job, didn't they?